As you guys can see, it's a new year, and this is what happened last year. The snow came early, unpredictable, and break down a lot of apple trees and stuff like that. As you can see, there are still snows on the ground. You can see snow here, and also on the trees you can still see the leaves on the trees. The leaves are still on the trees, and we are doing some pruning. Yeah, we are doing some pruning because it's going to be a new season, and there are a lot of blossoms are coming up on the trees. So we are getting everything prepared. We are getting the trees and prepare that they can bear fruits, and we can have a good harvest this year. As you can see, I walk along and give some highlight of what's going on. And you can keep up to date by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and you can share it also. And there are information which you can get if you ask questions. These are some trees that fall by the snow,